Hi everybody! Today we're going to look at the 3 states of water. Let's start by looking at water. Now we know that water is a liquid. When it's at room temperature. When water gets cold at 0 degrees, it turns to ice. It's a solid. Ice is a solid. Whoa, it's really cold. When water gets hot at 100 degrees, it turns to water vapor. Now to see water vapor, we need to heat the water. So come on. Check it out. There's water in here. Let's have a look first. Can you see the water in there? Now, this heats the water and the water is going to change to water vapor. While we're waiting, let's see if you can remember all the things that you know about water. Remember, water has no smell, water has no taste, and water has no colour. Always be careful with hot water. You don't want to touch it and burn ourselves. Let's see. Can you see any changes? Not yet. Let's have a look. Oh, come closer, come closer. Can you see here? The water is changing. It's turning to water vapor. The water that's in here, it's really hot now, and it's changing to water vapor. Can you see it going up? That's the water vapor. Be really careful that you don't touch it. Water vapor is a gas that's really hot at 100 degrees. Now, we're going to do an experiment to see if we can change the states of water. Here, we've got some ice. Now, ice is a solid at 0 degrees. What happens if we leave it out? You can see already, look, it's changing. My hands are warm and the ice is changing back to water. It's still very cold, but it's turning to water. So we can change water from solid to liquid. Now, we've seen liquid turn to gas. But let's see if we can turn the gas back to liquid. Let's see if we can make it rain in the kitchen. What do you think? Here's the water vapor. Well, we need to make a cloud. Let's put this on so you can see. Now here, under here, there's no water. You can see? There's no water under there. This is a plate, but we've got the ice on top to make it cold. Now, we are going to put it on top of the water vapor and see if we can change that water vapor and into water. Ready? So, let's put this up here. This is going to change. So, have a look under the plate if we can start to see any drops of water. Is there any water there? Not yet. Don't try this at home. You've got to be really careful. Oh, I can see water falling down. It's raining. We made it rain in the kitchen. So the water vapor is changing. The water vapor is changing from gas back to liquid. The gas is changing to liquid and it's falling down here. It's raining. We made it rain in the kitchen. So, all we need to do now is to take the water that we collected here. If we make it really cold by putting it in the freezer, it's going to change back into solid. So you can see we can change water from liquid to solid, solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and back to liquid.